Okay guys, so this is my outfit of the day. It's actually a dress from Pink Blush, and I really love it. I actually have on my Guess backpack and my Victoria's Secret hat, because I'm just going to get the dog's nails cut, so you know, I figured I'm going to be covered in hair, so might as well just throw something on that can be, you know, comfortable, easily washed. I actually have my Guess shoes on that actually match my backpack. And then I have my Taryn necklace with my name on it, my birthstone. My little earrings, flower earrings. Can you guys see that? I don't know. They're super cute though. So yeah, those, my necklace, and then elastic for my dress, my Pandora bracelet that I got when Bria was born, my baby bracelet I got for Mother's Day, and then my One Day at a Time bracelet. So yeah, let's get the show on the road, huh? But I just love how my shoes match my backpack, like identical. And Bria looks so cute. Huh. Look at your cute shoes. Alright, let's go. We're ready. Are you ready? Watch me. I'm going to buckle myself. Huh. Because you know how to buckle yourself now, huh? Okay, buckle yourself up. I'll be right there. You buckled? Good job! High five! You're amazing! Two high fives. Three high fives. Four high fives. 5, 6, 7, 8. Too slow. Too slow.
Mama, let me.
Too slow.
Mama.
Oh, here, Nala. You sad because you're stuck? Okay, there you go. Awesome job. I'm so proud of you. Just remembered it's Sunday. They're open. It's 12:12. So I gotta hurry. Well, not really hurry, but my Nana wants me to hurry. Alright.
Did you know a recent survey showed that most people would rather get a root canal to deal with the hassle
Nala
of
wants to
selling
come
their
back
home?
here with me.
But there's a better way to make your move happen. Open Door. We'll make a fair market value offer to buy your home. And you move when you want without the stress of listing on the market. Just go to our website, opendoor.com. You'll answer a few questions so we know what...
For sale. Ooh, a nice car's for sale. And the camera's gonna die too. I swear it's like Mercury in retrograde or something, because the TV was acting up for my puppa the other day. My computer, oh my god, I almost died. My computer was acting crazy. Like Windows Movie Maker wouldn't work, Chrome wouldn't work, like nothing was working. Everything was just freezing. Now my cell phone battery's drained, the camera battery's drained. My memory cards are saying that there's nothing on them, but there is stuff on them. It's not transferring to the computer, and it's killing me because it's a day meaningful to me. I don't want it to just be deleted or just, you know, be gone. So I just realized I can't be switching memory cards between two different cameras. And yep, I unfortunately learned that the hard way. So yeah, I don't know what is going on, but you know, I was thinking it's funny that I was just editing the vlog where I take the dogs to go get their nails cut and find out that they can't get them cut. And I'm wearing like the same shirt but in blue. Well, it's a shirt, not a dress, and it's in navy blue. I need to get like a car thing. This is crazy. I'm not even driving fast and the camera's just sliding all over the place. But yeah, this person's up my ass. Go ahead. So yeah, I need a car thing. Oh, this is so aggravating. Let me see, do I have it? Yeah. Sometimes, oops, sorry Nala, I'll use this. I'll put this on the dash. That's not working when I fold it up like that. Well, it'll somewhat keep it from sliding. But yeah, whenever I get a car, at some point in my lifetime, I don't know, maybe I'll be 40. But yeah, whenever I do, I want it to have like a dash like this kind of, so. Because it's hard to find like a clip for your car. Like when I was in Florida visiting my dad last year with Bria, I needed one. I bought one at Walgreens, I think, and it just like connected to the vent, but it just like didn't stay, it didn't last long, and yeah, I ended up just tossing it, I think. But I'm not sure how a camera one works. I know how a cell phone one works, but not sure how a camera one works. And I don't know how some of these beauty gurus and, you know, other YouTube moms do it with their big giant like DSLRs. I just can't see myself carrying one of those around like vlogging all day and just carrying that. That's crazy. I have to give mad props to them because that's like a lot to carry. I have a different cup today. It's from my local Circle K, but it's got the breast cancer awareness on it. And you guys notice how some cups, like, your drink doesn't taste that good in it? Well, this one tastes pretty good in it, so I'm liking it. I'm still sick. I'm still recovering over this cold. I haven't really talked to, like, many family members or friends, so I've just been doing my thing. I don't know, my nose is like, I'm trying not to like, you know how like your snots go to like the back of your throat? I'm trying to like keep it all forward so it doesn't go back, and I don't have a tissue. And it's like just starting to like choke me. I'm so mad. I literally haven't spoken to my mom in maybe a month now. We just got into a little battle or disagreement. Hey, hold on, I'm talking, okay? Battle over like the dumbest thing in the world. You know, I've been like promoting, well, never mind. Basically, zoom in here. Can you guys even see me? Basically, I just was like, you know, she was holding Larina and I was just like wanting her to listen, and she was like holding Larina and just like going like la 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 la, like playing with her. Noticed as I'm talking and trying to talk to her and tell her something that was very important to me at the time, and something, I don't know, I was very passionate about. So I just wanted to like double check and make sure she was listening. I wasn't trying to be rude. I didn't say it rudely. Like I said it like, Mom, are you listening? Because she, you know, she wasn't just going like la la la, she was like la 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 la, like really loud. And you know, she just got really mad when I wanted to be reassured that she was listening. But there was a reason, like a good reason why. I mean, I wanted my mom to pay attention to me, and I just wasn't being assured that, or reassured that she was even listening in the first place. It just seemed like she didn't even want to listen. Like, it was just, it hurt my feelings. So instead of saying like, yes, I'm listening, she like just kind of got really pissed off and put Larina down and then just started nipping at me and going back and forth, and I was just like, okay, this is stupid. Like, I don't know. We just ended up leaving that day, and you know, my Nana was there, and like I just didn't want all this to happen while my Nana was there. Like, you know, she's old, she really has like a lot already on her plate to stress about, and she just didn't need to like listen to us argue like we're sisters. Like, so, you know, especially because we're not sisters, we're mother and daughter, you know. And of course Bria's there too, so it's like, this is just totally unnecessary. So like I was trying to just like drop it, but you know, she just got so mad. I don't know like what provoked her to get this mad, but she was just so mad. So like I haven't gone over there. Bria's hardly gone over there. You know, we haven't got to go swimming really. No, Reese's, you just covered me and got...
Yeah. Seriously, dude?
It's like he gets nervous and all his hair falls out. So anyways, yeah, I just haven't got to go swimming or like lay out. Like I've like really been wanting to lay out and get some color, because I've noticed in my videos like my skin, well, my face is like not as tan as like the rest of me. Like from here up is like pale, and here down is like black. And, oh, yeah. Okay, Reese, you need to relax. You don't need to be so nervous. I need to check my account and make sure. I don't even know. I just drove all the way here. I might not even have enough money to get their nails cut. But I should. I think it's like 12 bucks each. Probably more, but it needs to be done. It just has to. These dogs need their nails cut. So I'll figure it out. Okay, I have enough. Alrighty then. Guess little daddy decided to help us out a bit, which is really nice of him to do that, because he didn't have to do that, and he did. So thank you, Daddy. Say thanks, Daddy. Thank you for helping us out. All right. Thank you for helping us out, Daddy. All right, you ready, guys? You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, Nala? All right, let's go. You gotta sit. Sit. I'll come get you. Sit down. I'll come get you. I'm actually gonna get a carriage. How funny is this gonna be? 2 dogs and a baby. Of course, there's a spot right there in the shade. You guys ready? I had to put this down because their nails are going right through the bottom. All right, let's go. Oh, you guys are all heavy. You guys are heavy. Look at the mountain. Way over there. You can't even see them. Okay, here we go.
I can see a mountain.
Good boy, Reese. Good girl. Now you guys can't bark and run and pee on everything. Crap, we should let them pee though. Don't you start. Alright, they just went potty. Okay, I want to do their nails now. You ready? You ready, Bria? Yeah, hit him. Hey, look at those fishies. Yeah. Don't touch. Look at. I know. No. You can't hold them. No, we can't hold them, Brie. Alright, come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go. No, no, no. Okay, we'll see, we'll see. Maybe we'll get a fishy. Look at the turtle. Look at down here. Look at the turtle. You see him?
He's stuck.
He's not stuck. He's just trying to come out. Alright, let's get the show on the road. The birdies. Oh, look at the birdie.
Oh.
Look at him. He's cute, huh? Okay, you guys ready? They don't look ready. Alright. See some action up here.
Let's see how to boys.
Yeah, you did. I need some new leashes. Ooh, I might get this. Hold on. Get this one. Should I get 2 pink ones? They're only $15.99. Shh. Of course, they don't have the pink. Oh, they do have the pink color. Nala's her neck's way too small for this, I think. So I'll see if I can tighten it. So that'll be Nala's. No Reese's. This blue one for Reese's. That's a collar. That's leash. I got the gray. No, I don't see a gray collar. Okay. So that's 6 feet. That's 6 feet. I'm gonna get them some new collars. And leashes. Alright. Those are all $15.99.
Thank you. How much are baths and just like a whole grooming? Okay, so for long hair 12, it's $29.99 comes with nail clipping, ear cleaning, air session, a bath, a brush, all that. Okay. And then the short hair 12 is $16.99 comes with the same stuff. Really? Ooh, okay, I'll do that instead. I don't think we have time for baths today. Probably not until later. We can do 4 o'clock. I can't do that. I don't know, because I have to get someone to watch my other daughter and then hers. It's like crazy. I'll just do the nails, I guess. If anything, if you wanted to, we have the pedicures on sale for the 23. It's everything except for the bath. So we get ear cleaning, brushed out, teeth brushing, nails. I think she'd rather have a bath. Yeah, we didn't need the bath so bad. And so you offer that to things. We can do those as walk-ins too. Alright, thank you. No, just basically, alright, maybe I'll do that. I'll do everything except the bath. Like you said, right? And because you guys can't do the bath now, and then we'll come back later. Okay. So we're gonna park. Sorry? No, so we're gonna do what she said. Yeah, I think so. The pedicure class, you'll get nail grinding, teeth brushing, ear cleaning, brush, bandana, spritz. Okay. And it's on sale right now. It's usually 26 and it's 23. Okay. So for like $9 more, you get all that extra stuff, whereas nail grinding is $140. Yeah, okay. That's good. Okay, this is Lisa's? Yes. Hi, Reese's. Hi, Reese's.
Come here, you pretty girl. Oh, you're so sweet. Do you like her, Bria? You said her name was Poppy? Oh, it's okay.
Are you protective?
Do you love her? Do you love her? You do? You think she'd get along with Reese's and Nala?
She gets along really well with the others.
That's good. Oh my gosh, you are so cute.
And she loves everyone. She's super cuddly.
Aww.
I like hugs. You like hugs.
Not coming out yet? No, I'm not gonna leave you here, silly. Okay, really quick, I just wanted to update you guys. So, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep the whole conversation in this vlog or not, but basically they told me no, they couldn't get baths. And the baths were like the same amount as just getting like a nail trim or cut. So I'm like, why not just give them baths too? So first they told me no, then they told me about another thing that they could do, which is ears, teeth, like a whole cleaning, everything but the bath. But then as we were patting the dogs that they have for adoption every weekend, a woman came out, totally different woman, a holy woman, totally different woman, and she was like, oh, they said you wanted to get them baths, so yeah, I can give them a bath for you, and we'll just call you when they're ready. It's usually 2 to 3 hours. So it's 1:23 now. My phone just died, but this is my chance to run in the store without the dogs, and then run home, drop it all off, and wait for the call and hopefully charge my phone. So it's already getting crazy, but I'm gonna run in. I need to get a new toothbrush because I was sick, so I need a new toothbrush. And I want to get the Crest white strips because for some reason one of my teeth is like a totally different color than the rest. Don't know why or what's going on. Don't even want to show you right now. So I'm hoping I can afford the Crest strips, and I'm hoping I'll still have enough money after this to even pay for these baths. Otherwise we're gonna be in deep. So yeah, I'm trying to like manage money and what we need, and I can't even check my WIC card because my phone died and I don't have the car charger in here. What? And Bria wants french fries. What, Bria? I don't know what you're saying. What? Yeah, we'll fix you too. Okay, she's tired. Let's get in the store. So yeah, that's just a quick update. Crazy day already. I thought this was just gonna be like quick nail trim, grab some formula and get home, but clearly that's not happening. And I just dropped this. So I lost the hat because I'm sweating to death. But I got 10 cans of formula, milk, a small thing of cream, toilet paper. That's what I got. I got toilet paper, cream, milk, 10 cans of formula. What else? I had a crib wedge, but I put the crib wedge back, even though I think Larina really needs it. But I know they always have it there, so when I can afford it, it'll be there. I also got some headbands for Larina. They were $2.50 each. I couldn't get the Crest white strips. Super pissed about that. But they were like $45, almost $50. Oh, it just pisses me off that I can't get the things that I want. Like literally all of this is just to get through the week. Black or white. All right, let's go get him. Sweet season, Nala. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Let's go get him. You ready? Black and white. Look at this. Look how pretty that is. Their sun cover thing. Come on,
Andy and Chris and Monday morning, we're kicking the week off with the Monday Mind Bender. We've got a good one. Just think about yoga for your mind.
I want to ask them where they got it.
I do get it. All right, Monday morning at 7 a.m.
White gold, Michelle fight for that white gold. Pretty. Right. Hot damn. Police to the fireman. Too hot. Hot damn. Hey, look it. Reese's. You were supposed to take a selfie with me. Okay, here we go. Oh, you thirsty puppy? He wants water. Oh, you poor pup. You are thirsty. Here you go. Wow. He knew that cup was water and wanted it. Nala, you guys gotta share, guys. Oh, look at Bria. They were thirsty. Aww. Or, well, they did get their teeth brushed. Guys, we're back at home. It was crazy when I first walked in. I had to put the formula away. I had to feed Larina. My Nana was cooking. Larina was crying. Bria wanted to sit and eat. The dogs were all excited to see each other. You know, my papa had to throw the steaks on the grill. Go to the bathroom. I had to get the dogs water. I had to get Bria water, myself some water. I mean, it was just crazy, like non-stop. So I didn't have a second to film, but Larina got her bath. So, yeah, I just threw her in the bath and, you know, told Bria to wait and take her bath after because, you know, Larina might be getting sick and I don't want her to get sick too. Her nose was running, but it could just be teething. But I did give her Tylenol. I bought more Tylenol. Bria still needs a bath. Come on.
Watch out. Oh my god, she heated the spot up. It's so hot in my spot.
Alright, so yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here for today. You know, at least I'm ending it because I keep forgetting to end it and then I don't know how to, like, end the video, which is such a pain. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog here. Don't forget to give us a like if you enjoyed the video and seeing the dogs. Seeing Bria and Larina.
I kiss you, Mama.
Thanks for the kiss. Let me see my silly girl. Reach out, Reese.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. Beyond the horizon. Beyond the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it.